39, they're talking about cube roots again. So for A, right, they're asking us what times itself 3 times is 1, right? And again, this is not work, but they're saying what times itself, 3 times is 1, and the answer to that is 1. And again, you're going to start with low numbers and go high, right, to get these. For B, it says what times itself 3 times is 0. Well, clearly the only thing it could be is 0, right? Because 0 times 0, right, times 0 is 0, right? Okay. For C, let's think about this, right? So you could do this. You could simplify. You could say the cube root. Now, 2 to the third is 2 times 2 times 2. That's 8. And then you could say what times itself 3 times is 8, right, which is 2. Or you could notice that when you take the cubed root of the cubed, you're left with the original number again. So that would be a little easier to do, right? So I would say don't do it this way, right? Just go right to 2 because the cube root and the cube cancel each other out. So for this one, I'm assuming this is supposed to say D here, right? For D, again, the cube root cancels out the cube, so we're left with 7. I don't want you to say, what is 7 times 7 times 7, and then simplify, and then find the cube root of that.